Ferns are staple ingredients of a partially shaded border. So today I thought I'd just take a little bit of time and talk you through some other plants that you can plant with them to really kick off the display. So just quickly about ferns. Now, a fern frond is usually made up, it's divided into these things called pinnae. And then some of those pinnae are even more finely divided, and that's called the bipinnate leaf. But whatever you want to call it, there's a lot going on with a fern frond. They're really visually very busy. So I find it better to mix them with plants that have very simple leaves. And today I've just pulled out a few examples. Now, the first one I'm going to talk about are the hostas. Now, ferns and hostas are like bread and butter. They just go together so well. And I think that's because the laciness of the fronds and the big, simple foliage of the hostas, it just really works together well. Other things that work very well with ferns are simple grass-like foliage. So things like this liriope or the haconocloas, a grass, which are really beautiful because they just sway around and catch the breeze. Finally, as most ferns have an upright habit, it's really good to introduce plants that are spreading, low and spreading. And that's why I just love this little asarum or wild ginger. The foliage is just really beautiful shape, and this complements the upright fronds of the fern perfectly. And alternatively, you could use pachysandra, another creeper, shade tolerant, so perfect partners. So there we are, just a few ideas which I hope you find helpful.